guys, welcome to my favorite time of the day, night. So today is January 13th and I decided to make a night life video, night life vlog, night in my life. Right now I'm having some pommy. Here's my pommy. Looks yummy. So I have like a few plans for tonight that I'll be doing. So firstly I'll be studying. Yes, I don't usually study at nights, but you know, if I'm filming, let's just study, get something productive out of it. Sorry. And then we'll be doing skincare, and I bought some really cool stuff, so I want to show you that as well. And yeah, let's study. But before that, I wanted to show you my outfit. Ouch. So this is my dad's coat that I just wore, and inside of it it's just thermal, and I'm wearing these pajamas because it's night, and these are Christmas pajamas, not any pajamas. So guys, I just like finished studying, so I was doing this like English comprehension, and these are not like regular comprehensions. These are so hard. Like, we have to understand what the author is trying to say, and it's nothing like school, let me tell you. It's bad. So I have to get better at those, so I have to practice that every day from now on. It's 2022, so obviously New Year's resolutions. Let me know what are your New Year resolutions in the comment box below. I don't have anything as such. I just want to increase like my reading skills. Obviously that was like a complete bust. I did not read physically, I did not read the book, but I like bought Audible subscription, and now I listen to audiobooks. So I have already finished like one audiobook, which is The Subtle Art of Not Giving a Fuck. Not really good book. I mean, I think it's definitely a little overrated. Second one is the biography of Indra Nooyi, so I'm just studying that, listening to that book as well. The book is free, by the way. The Indra Nooyi book is free, so you can just go download the Audible app and watch it right now, like listen to it right now. And it's not sponsored by Audible, don't worry, even though it would be great if they sponsored. It's Audible, sponsor me. I don't know why there's so many kids just shouting and playing at night. Go home, kids, your parents will be worried. Why I basically like nights more than days, it's that because it's so peaceful at night. You can get a little peace and quiet. But now I've become like kind of a morning person. I don't know if you call like 8:30 a.m. or 9 a.m. or 10 a.m. morning, but I definitely think it's progress from last year. Sometimes vlogs actually get boring because like I'm not going anywhere. I'm just staying at home, and everyone should stay at home because trust me, it's not good when you get COVID. My sister has COVID and she's quarantining, isolating in the room. I can't meet her. Okay, so I got this like You Bella pendant. My sister actually wanted this, so I got it for her. It's like this really cute pendant sort of thing. I want like an evil eye necklace. So if any of you actually sell an evil eye necklace, like a very like plain evil eye and then like a thread, so if you know where I can find it, please let me know. And I also got slippers. So these are the slippers, and one more is there, but so yeah, these are the slippers that I got. Package came like this. It's the Armani Exchange watch that I got. I'm excited about this. This is what the watch looks like. I'm very excited about this. I'm actually holding it ulta, but this is the Armani Exchange watch that I got. I was very excited to get this. I was like, yes, I want that, and now I've got it. Thanks to you guys, I could get it. Otherwise, I couldn't have. So the next package. So I actually ordered these like bamboo toothbrush, which I got today. I'm trying to be more sustainable. So I bought the electric toothbrush for myself, but I also got like these bamboo toothbrush. I was talking about these in the last video. These are the hair bands. So I was talking about this as well in my previous video, and I got this right now. So always the buying links will be in the description. Let's go and keep these things at their place. To organize this, it's too messy. I got this pomegranate one. Everything today is pomegranate. I had to find it out because yeah. Let's put this on. To put this on, I'll just use this, test this out, how it works and stuff. I look like a kid who dances in the annual concert in the front. Yeah, I think it looks kind of cute. Too big for my face though. Oh, it's so cold. Now I'll let it stay and add some Instagram stories because why not? Guys, now I'm going to read. Now I've been trying to read this book since the past 2 years, but I've never ever gotten past the second chapter. So I'll try to finish this, and if I'm not able to finish it, then I'll get an audiobook for this book because I really want to like know this book or study this book or read this book, whatever. And I'll play some lo-fi or maybe some music, hip-hop, I don't know, some kind of music. The playlist that I'm going to listen to. Just play them. Guys, now it's time to take off this mask. So satisfying. My face looks good actually.